Yes, I love you. Have a great day.
Love you too.
Have a great shift.
Thank you.
Have a nice, delicious bowl of Zeke's food waiting for you and him when you get home.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's using his talker.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I attend a special recreation program for people with disabilities, and one of the people has a talker as well. Oh, why am I getting this?
Oh, that's so cool. You guys can talk for 10 minutes. Both of you, Samuel and Kristen. I've been talking with him on the computer, so it's been really cool.
Yeah.
I'm thinking really good to know.
That makes sense. Yeah, the fare boxes are gone now.
Done. Okay. Sorry.
That's fine.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank
Mm-hmm. Come on, Bubba. Hey,
you. Samuel.
come on. Zeke, no. Come on.
Someone and then dropping you, okay?
Okay. Sit. That makes sense, yeah. I know you guys write the times down for like when you arrive and pick up people. Yeah. Is that for the call center or something?
It's for my company. I guess what they call face masks.
It makes sense. You guys keep it all on file for
Yep.
stuff.
Everything.
Oop. Yep. All right, I'm ready. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, I joined. I joined.
I picked up a couple of friends from there on 53.
So pretty close.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, good. That's really nice. I like those fine.
Yeah, we do it once a week because obviously, you know, my job.
Yeah.
We used to do it more back when my brother and I were in middle school. A bit in 2014, 15, and 16. We did a camp with C-Spar at the Downers Grove Park District called Camp Carefree. But we don't go there anymore, so I'm comfortable making it public, of course. It is C-Spar stands for Southeast. That's the Southeast DuPage County, Illinois suburbs in Chicagoland. Southeast Association for Special Parks and Recreation. They offer special recreation programs. The same thing. It helps people with disabilities. But sadly, it doesn't exist anymore because the people with disabilities that applied to it, there just wasn't enough people. So, but I mean, oh well. I mean, I'm glad I did it when I did, and I have a slideshow, a DVD that I play on my portable DVD player of the 2014 and 16 summer camp years because it happened from June all throughout July, so it was fun. One of the people that were in there was also in an electric wheelchair and had a service dog for mobility assistance. Yellow lab, just like Zeke. Yeah, her dog's name was Noah.
Noah?
Yeah. You know what? Yeah. What did you say?
I coach for.
Oh, nice. Zeke retires. He'll probably get. He kind of eats what he wants now because my parents give him food, but my stepdad. my stepfather Dominic makes him work for it. He makes him lay down or sit or whatever to make sure he's behaving himself, because sometimes he drools, especially when we're having steak or meat or something. Yeah, but with mom, she's the sucker with food. Nice one, Christian.
Christian.
She just gives it to him. But he does good at the table, though. Of course, he always sniffs for things. And just in case if someone drops anything.
Oh, we're here, Samuel. We know.
Yeah, we're home now.
Thank you for talking with us.
Yeah.
Fascinating.
Yeah, it was nice.
Who's going to be at home? I see a car in the driveway. Forward a little more. Forward. Oh. Okay, look, okay. Hang on. Hang on. I don't know. Oh, the wheelchair. Can you go forward? I think you're over my strap.
Oh yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
There we
whoa.
go. There we go.
Okay.
Now the strap.
Good. Yeah, it
Stretch.
goes over the strap. So good.
See ya. See ya, Samuel.
I don't like this smell. Hold on, hold on. I don't like this smell. Can you go back? Yes. That's better. Okay, there we go. Hi, Samuel. Nice to meet you. Yeah. Are you okay from here? Yes. You have black power. Bye.
Dang. Okay, so we are here on this bus with the ADA paratransit service that I use currently. That's the wheelchair lift folded up. Right there is the hydraulic pump. And that's the flaps that come up. That's the back flap that folds and unfolds and then comes right into the bus when the platform comes in, as well as the handrails and the front flap, and those are lights right on it right there. That guy who had the talking device or computer on his electric wheelchair was pretty neat. Him and I had a really great conversation. He actually has a couple of kids, because he's a middle-aged guy, which is pretty cool. To respect privacy, though, I'm not going to say the age, but I think you all know what middle-aged means. But yeah, we just have to pick up another client before I have to go to work, because sometimes, unfortunately, since I'm in here in the bus alone, because the driver is looking for the person, dispatch sometimes sets the route a certain way that could be frustrating, and you're on the bus for a while, about an hour at least. That's why I set the bus to come get me at my home an hour early. So yeah. Hey Zeke, you want a treat for being a good boy so far? Yeah? Here's my leader dogs for the blind cup. Good boy. Those holes right there on the ground is to strap wheelchairs. That's why all these seats are, you know. There's also straps up here. Or, you know, seat belts for the people in the wheelchairs. So yeah. Hey, you're being a good boy so far. I know you're hungry. Yeah. When we're at work, I feed him his post-dinner snack slash food. It's just kibble from the Honest Kitchen, 4 ounces. It's not dehydrated food like how his home one is. I just pour the pellets in a bag, or the kibble pellets in the bag, and we're all good. And put it in one of my 2 collapsible bowls that I have for water and his food. Because, you know, as I said before, with this public transportation, you know how it is. He starts fussing or starts pawing at me because he's hungry and stuff like that. But I'm patient and polite to everyone because the drivers have a stressful job. And also, like, they're understaffed, too. Same with the calls, I think the call center, but the drivers especially. There's my... Come on, wide angle. There we go. Leader dogs to the blind. Cup with the braille on it. It says leader dog in braille. Yes, I can sight read it. And I know to completely blind people it's shocking. Well, plus I have low vision in my left eye and completely blind in my right eye for those that are new. I have 70 degrees field of vision. I know I don't have to say it because of HIPAA, but I'm comfortable with it. You guys know I'm very open. Also, thank you all so much for 500 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Alright, I should probably stop talking now so the video's not too long. Or over 10 minutes. Alright. See you all in the next video. Bye.